Hi guys, it's Gazworld here on the Gazworld channel. I'm here at CMC Claycross in Chesterfield in Derbyshire in the UK. I'm just doing a walk around review and specification on this little Super Sport 125. It's a 2022 Yzf 125 GP Anniversary Edition, the 60th, to celebrate 60 years. It's white pearl with red graphics with historic racing decals. It's a high-tech engine, 125cc, liquid cooled, single overhead cam, 4-stroke 4-valve. It's got a max power of 15 brake horsepower at 10,000 RPM, and it's got 11.5 Newton meters at 8,000 RPM. And this little sports bike's perfect for a starter bike, so it's all to do with your A1 licence. They're not LED, they're just standard bulb. Your front suspension is obviously gold, upside down telescopic forks, 41mm, and the travel is 130mm. Your front brake is ABS. It's a hydraulic single disc with a size of 292mm. And these wheels are nice, very nice. Lightweight 10-spoke 17-inch gold wheels wrapped in Michelin tyres. It's really nice with the GP edition graphics on there with the red stripe down the tank. LED twin headlight. You got a wet weight of 144 kilograms. The actual front brake lever guard there comes as standard. You've got a ground clearance of 155mm. That's your rear suspension, which is a link type suspension. It's got a travel of 114mm. Got some carbon detail on the exhaust. Your rear brake is a hydraulic single disc with a size of 220mm. It's also got a lightweight swing arm. More decals in red and black. That's your petrol tank, which is 11.5 litre fuel capacity, and this bike does an incredible approximately 100 miles to the gallon. There you've got a 60th anniversary GP badge. Got a seat height of 825mm. Gold and black domed Yamaha badge. This bike's got a top speed of 75 miles an hour. Digital LCD screen. Your rear indicators are just normal bulb, but the tail light is LED. I just like to get in and show you in quite close up detail in 4K, just so it gives you a really nice idea of what the bike's like. Really sets it off with these gold wheels. With your foot pegs. There you have it, the 6-speed gearbox, assist slipper clutch. So you can see that metallic pearl white there, detail with the metallic and with the gold badging. Cracking little starter bike to get you going. As you can just see coming into shot in background, you've got your older brother there, the Yamaha Yzf. There you go. That's a beauty. I've done a review on that bike if you check my channel out. So back to the 125. If you're interested in this bike, like I say, I'm here at CMC Chesterfield. This bike's 5,100 on the road. I'm going to put the link to their website in the description. I just want to thank you guys for taking time for watching this video and subscribing. I've been Gazworld. Keep your eye on the channel for some great content coming soon. Thank you. Please subscribe.